Ever wonder how your phone knows exactly where you touched? You tap a piece of glass, and it instantly responds. But how does that even work? Let's break down the invisible science behind the touchscreen. Touchscreens have been around since the 1970s. Early versions were resistive. They worked by having two thin layers that made contact when you pressed down, physically completing a circuit to register a touch. But the revolution came with capacitive touchscreens, which Apple popularized with the iPhone in 2007. A capacitive touchscreen is like an invisible electric net just under the glass. The screen is layered with transparent conductors that hold a small electrical charge. When your finger, which conducts electricity, touches the surface, it disturbs the electric field. Sensors measure this change at multiple points, and the system calculates your finger's exact location in milliseconds. That's why it feels so responsive. No pressure needed, just presence. Resistive touchscreens still exist, especially where gloves are needed, like in industrial equipment. There are also infrared and surface acoustic wave types used in kiosks. But capacitive is the go-to for sleek, fast, and modern devices like smartphones and tablets. So next time you swipe, remember, your finger is actually disturbing a carefully controlled electric field. Got another tech mystery you want us to break down? Leave a comment and subscribe to Skynest, where big ideas take flight.